Here's a 2017 Lexus ES. Enjoy the exceptional world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every detail. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Smart device navigation, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive. Welcome to Napleton Acura in Elmhurst, a Chicago area new and used Acura dealership. We're located at 745 West Lake Street in Elmhurst, Illinois.